I'm Mark from Keith Bullock Contracting, based here in Porirua. We're a general contracting company, do subdivisions, roading, landfill maintenance, right down to small landscaping and local council work. So we're a multi-generational business. We've got third generation at the moment. My grandfather Keith started the business in 1960. He started with the D4 next to me. That did 30,000 hours doing local farm work, roading projects around the Greater Wellington region. Then Glenn took it over. He's carried it on, run it up to what it is today, and now me and my brother run it. Back when they started with one dozer, and it went on from there. Over the years it's got bigger. Today we run 25 to 30 items of cat plant, ranging from 50-ton diggers down to 1.5-ton diggers and everything that goes with it. The reason why we love the cat machines is the product itself. The machines in aspect of the excavators right the way through to the dump trucks, and that all perform above their weight class. The hydraulics in them for running the attachments is second to none. The product supports the next step for us. The backup and support we get out of TerraCat is second to none. So we had doing a big project in town. It's 4 o'clock on a Friday, which seems to be when everything goes wrong. They had the grader going down a long causeway. We had to shape that up right before the weekend. The grader completely lost power, stopped in the middle of the job. So we had one way in, one way out. It was the only way for the couple of hundred people on site to get in and out of the job. Phoned TerraCat, and they were there within 5 minutes, fixed it and got it back into site and let everyone go. It's the backup and support like that, where they're a phone call away, is the part that stands out for us. First memories of operating machines, I was probably around 5, going to work with the old man, sitting in behind the back seat of the excavators and on the side of the arm rests and dozers. And then that led on to where we are today. They're running around using a staff for laser and house pads and all of that. That's moved into today running the full GPS on every single bit of plant we have. You can put anyone in an excavator and trim to a height. You're not having to rely on years of experience chasing pegs and lasers. So we're excited about adding the D6 XE to the fleet. Obviously electric drive, staying at the forefront of the technology. Being the Centennial machine, the only Centennial dozer currently in New Zealand, sort of marking the 65 years of Bullock's relationship with TerraCat, and obviously the 100 years of Caterpillar themselves. And that's awesome, having that in our fleet. We use VisionLink to track all our machines. We can track them from anywhere in the country or straight off of our phones. With that we get our fuel burn, hours used, any service codes or anything comes straight through to us. For us, that's a major advantage of having that, is we monitor in real time where our machines are, what they're doing and how they're performing. We just started using parts.cat.com. That's brought us a lot of being able to order our parts on site, not having to rely on ringing the parts department and entering it in and finding what we need. We can do that as we go, and the next day it's sitting in the yard ready to go. We're proud of the fact of the 65-year relationship we've had with Caterpillar and with TerraCat. We're looking forward to continuing that relationship into the future with the next round of whatever comes.